Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make breadcrumbs at home. Now this is only going to take us about 15 minutes and it's a great way to use any leftover bread you have inside your kitchen. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees. The only thing we're going to need is about 4 to 5 slices of bread. Today I'm using sourdough that I have left over. You can use absolutely any bread that you want. What we're going to do is place our bread onto a baking sheet, nice and flat. We're gonna bake this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it over and go another 5 to 7 minutes till it's all golden brown. Our bread has taken on a nice little bit of color. Listen, that's the sound that we are looking for. We're gonna let this cool for about 1 to 2 minutes. All we're going to do now is break up our bread into small pieces, put this in our food processor, and we're going to blitz it till we get the consistency that we are looking for. Now it really depends on the consistency you're looking for. I pulsed this for about 30 seconds, but I did intervals of 4 seconds. All I'm going to do is transfer this into a bowl. We're going to add a little crack of salt, and if you're looking for plain breadcrumbs, there you go. We'll be done. I like mine a little bit thicker. Now if you want Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, we're going to add in 3/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, which I have a recipe for that. Just get that in there, get it incorporated. Now it is done. We're going to transfer this to an airtight container, and now let's get a taste. Alright, let's get a taste. Just reach in here. Man, it's so good. So much better than the stuff you get in the store. There's no preservatives, no fillers. It's nice and crunchy. You get the earthy tones of the Italian seasoning in it as well. It's a fantastic way to make breadcrumbs at home. Like I said, you can use any bread that you want. All you have to do is store this in an airtight container, and it can last up to 2 weeks on your counter. You can store it in your fridge and it can last up to a month, or you can also freeze it and it can last up to 2 months. Now this recipe gives us about 1.5 to 2 cups of breadcrumbs, so if you need more, you can always double the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.